In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get free food and deals with your refund money. Let's get right into it. Every year on tax day, which falls on April 15, restaurants and big brands celebrate the end of tax season by offering limited time deals, freebies, and discounts for customers. Some places are offering free food or buy one get one deals when you make a small purchase or use a promo code. You'll see deals like free donuts, discounted burgers, free pastries, and even reward based offers where you can get bonus items just for being a member of their app or loyalty program. According to early 2026 tax day promotions, brands like Krispy Kreme, Shake Shack, Pizza Hut, all are joining in with special offers like BOGO donuts, free menu items, and discounted meals on April 15th. Some deals are super simple too, like ordering through apps or showing proof that you filed your taxes and you instantly unlock rewards such as free snacks or discounted meals. Other offers are more like refund style promotions where you get something back for what you spent during tax season, which makes it feel like a mini celebration after filing. The best part is many of these freebies don't require a huge refund. You just need to participate in tax day promotions, download restaurant apps, or use special codes that are only active for a short time. But remember, these deals are usually only available on April 15, so timing is everything. Overall, Tax Day 2026 is not just about filing taxes, it's also a great opportunity to grab free food, save money, and enjoy special limited time offers while your refund is on the way. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.